Welcome back to another vlog. Dude, guys trying to get out, but they're what? Mom's right there.
Martine ran over Nikki's foot.
For real. Alright,
so out of here too? Yes! If you're still here, I don't know why. I'm just kidding. So right now we're going to Krispy Kreme because I'm gonna pick up some donuts for the meet that I'm going to have. Me and Slow BRZ are hosting a meet tonight. Looks like the drive-thru is closed, so I'm just gonna go inside and get donuts, I guess. I can't be lazy, but it's fine. Got the donuts, the bag is secure. A dozen donuts of green donuts, I guess. I wish they were blue, that would be sick. Okay, so I'm going to work and then I'm going to the meet. So bye, catch you later. Okay, so I just got off work and there's like hella people going inside. I'm so freaking excited. I have my underglow on. Let's freaking go. Oh my gosh, there's security already. SFGTI behind me. Dude. Oh, the front one?
Yeah, the front one's not working. And I just looked at it, laid on the ground, and everything's connected, and I'm like,
wow, it looks good though. Yeah, I'm so confused. I've never hosted a meet before. Why is everyone here?
Why is everyone? Because you asked them to come! What else?
Wow, Jesus. This is so cool. Hi.
What's up? You recording again?
Yes, it's a vlog.
Where's your cameraman?
No, it's gonna be from my point of view today. I'm not gonna have a cameraman.
Fucking nikibrz, oh shit!
What's up, Nikki?
Hey.
Is that the vlog? Is it
It's the vlog. We're live.
Hey, what did security say?
He said that he wants us to go to the other garage.
Why? Which garage? The other one?
Hi.
What's up, dude?
I like your car.
The same.
Bro, you're fucking clean, bro.
I like your color scheme.
Going to the one on the front?
Hey!
Hey, I fuck with those socks though.
Thank you. I just bought them today.
Oh my god!
I want my GTR socks.
Oh!
Let's up, girl.
I just talked to security and they want us to change garages to the one underground.
That has a cool, like, My Hero wrap.
Oh shit, that's cool. What?
You went slow, fucking killed it tonight. Hey, what did the security guard say?
He wants us to move garages and I'm stressed.
Suck my ass though.
We already got hella people here though. Right? Like what the fuck?
Oh, I'm stressed. Like this is sick, right?
Look at, hey guys, you see this? My homegirl, she did that shit. She did that shit. Check that Porsche out. Yeah.
Hey.
At least 40 cars here already.
And it hasn't even started. Jesus Christ.
We're gonna go outside. We're gonna go to the research center.
Okay. My heart hurt for a second. I know, perfect talent.
We get shut down.
Did they just come to do that?
I don't know.
Ay, ay, ay. Squad! Ooh!
I mean, it is a PRC kind of like
Hey!
organization. It only makes sense for there to be PRCs.
It's my family. It's my family. JDM. Oof. I'm like living for this right now.
Someone just did a burnout. You said no burnout.
A lot of content to film.
Yeah, exactly. Kill me, kill me. Maloof.
Are you taking a video?
Yes. It's a vlog.
My mom's coming.
Your mom's coming?
No, mom.
Oh.
Mom, not my mom.
We're going to the other garage downstairs. Oh my God. Welcome back. Is this a bus or not?
All it takes is a cop to sit up. Hopefully we don't. It's not a bus. Hopefully. Yep. Okay, we're done.
What?
The cop's right there. Security right there. Where? That's a wrap.
It's security, not cops.
No, security with the cop.
This is private property.
Woo. We're going to Bethel. We're going to Bethel. Yeah. We're going to Bethel. 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 Tom. Bethel. Bethel. That's the final spot that won't get shut down.
Out of here too?
Yes.
We get kicked out of here.
Yeah, they're not kicking us out yet.
This is a shit show. This is a shit show.
Good, Nick.
I don't know. I'm stressed.
He's stressed. Her first meeting. She's not going to plan.
George! We're changing spots.
Why?
Because the security was like, you gotta leave.
I thought you talked to them already.
I did. Alright, so we keep getting shut down at every single location.
Hey!
Hi, George.
You chose the wrong spot. I would just look. Now you make everyone go rip bumps. Look.
No one's ever gonna come to a nikibrz meet again.
I'll see you out here.
Oh. This is a shit show, but we're going to Bevmo where we're not gonna get kicked out.
Dude, I don't have any
exhaust on right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Tom! Hit me, Justin, I dare you! Hey. Again. Yeah, we do it all the time here. Yeah.
My first time.
Huh?
It's my first time.
Okay. Yeah, we're chilling. This is the final spot, don't worry.
Okay. So just park anywhere?
Yeah. Ooh. nikibrz, yes, who is this? What? Hi.
What's up? Third time's the charm.
Third
right?
time's the charm, that's right.
Hello.
Is that Chad?
I was getting off work. I guess I was like fucking late, so sorry if I was late to your...
No, you're fine.
Can you ask him, can they let me just bag out one
Yeah.
time?
Hey, Martine.
Ask her, can you just let me get up out of here, please?
Yeah. You heard her? Oh my god. Oh my god.
What happened?
You ran over her foot. Oh,
I just heard you. Is it bleeding?
I don't know.
Check it.
I'm scared.
Check your foot.
Hey, get back in. She's fucking pulling out.
What the fuck?
Look it up.
Oh my god.
Hey, way to go!
Ah!
You ran over a fucking legend!
Oh my god. Yes.
You didn't check your foot?
Chad just fucking ran. Martin just ran over my fucking foot.
Wait, so what happened? Wait, is this thing on?
They're like, are you good? Martine. You ran over your
I
mother.
ran over my mother's foot.
Damn.
It feels so bad.
This car makes a shit show. 3 locations and I get my foot ran over.
By her son. Check your toes.
The lady was like, oh my god.
No, dude, honestly, like, check them, dude, because I
Check
don't know
your
if it could be
toes.
like purple or whatever.
I'm fine.
Damn, sausage toes. No, I'm kidding.
I feel so bad, Nikki. And the lady's like, I'm still trying to get out. I'm like, you know, like I don't care about you
That
fucking
hurts
getting.
so-
Damn! How the hell is she? The fuck? How's she supposed to walk? She's trying to meet up with all the homies.
How's she supposed to press in her clutch?
Bro, I don't know.
You want me to go get you ice? Yeah, let's go.
I think we should go inside this restaurant and ask for ice.
Yeah, let's go ask for ice.
I am, dude. Tom, bad news, bad news.
Look who it is!
Yes.
No,
What's
give me
up?
the right hand.
Bro, I'm filming.
Yeah, film with the left hand, give me the right hand.
What's up?
Yes!
Hey, so apparently, what's up, dude? What's up, Jolly D brother? Yes.
The toast there!
That toaster.
Where's your toast there?
Wait, shut up. But apparently we got bad news. Martine ran over Nikki's foot.
For real. Wait, what?
This is Nikki's. This is Nikki's.
Nikki's?
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
yeah.
yes, yes.
Follow me on IG. It's on the back of my. Oh shit! It's on the back of my.
What? Yes, we follow.
How did it feel?
Anybody comes up.
Tell us how it felt.
Hey, slap him one time. It's good content.
Hey, Nikki, I think you should
bro,
caption
tell him,
this
bro.
video.
Bro, let's take it back.
Got my foot ran over. Help it. No, film it. No.
Hey, film it.
I'm not an idiot. No. You are.
I wasn't part of it.
I wish.
No, they are. Like he's wearing ski videos.
Oh my god. Fucking shit.
Hey, guys.
Can you vlog?
Yeah. No problem. I got
Can you? No.
to the original spot. She's
Hear my scream?
her foot got ran over.
My foot.
Wait, what?
Yes.
Who ran over your foot?
Martin.
Oh my
He backed up into me.
Are you okay?
That's really hurt.
Oh no. Back there?
What are we doing?
We're gonna hand out mini donuts because that's what I promised. But I'm gonna eat one first.
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much, mother.
Hey, you know I'm
Feeding me finally.
No, this shit's so good.
After 17 years, she's feeding me, bruh.
That's crispy fucking cream. Fuck Dunkin' Donuts.
Thank you.
I'm good, thank you.
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah.
You want a donut?
We actually just bought it.
Thank you.
No way.
Oh, like the same one.
Did anyone see my post? I'm bringing donuts.
You're Nikki, aren't you?
Yeah.
I'm Lava. Lava Emperor. Yeah, how are you? Is Andrew here?
Yeah, he is.
That's you,
He's
right?
right over there. Follow me.
What happened at the other location? I literally use it for moving parts and that's it.
Lava FRS.
Mom, can I have one more? Lava FRS! What's up, bro? How's it going?
Good, you? Good. How's life? Pretty good. Yeah. Well, see? How's your spring break been?
What happened to being on a diet?
Make a hell of a
Fuck the diet.
Fuck the diet, bro.
With your high ass. With your high ass. Yeah. And she's passing around donuts.
What's up? Want a donut?
Shout out your Instagram, bro. What's the Instagram?
Oh my god, it's so cute.
What's the Instagram?
Snowflake, SNOPHLAK.
You want a donut?
No, thank
No.
you.
I love your wheels.
Thank you.
Yeah, those are wet.
I'm okay, thank you.
Yeah, thanks for asking.
Sir, are y'all on diet?
I am.
I just ate. Yeah, right. In and out.
I've been.
Yeah, bro, have some dessert.
Maybe next time, you know.
It's free from nikibrz. Like, come on, man. Can't
New Balance. Oh, what you know? What you know about that New Balance and Adidas?
Steven, did Michael walk?
This is the homie Monty.
You got a channel?
Huh?
You got a channel?
Nah, it's fucking nikibrz camera.
Hey, Nicky, what's up?
Bro, shout out the Instagram, bro.
Yeah. 510 Okami. Okami, but like nobody knows what Okami means, but in Japanese it just means wolf.
For
Yeah.
sure, bro.
Yeah, it's back.
What's the move? Hell yeah. What's the Instagram?
With what cars?
Instagram, SF Mini. Got that stock Mini, guys.
Like a Camaro or like.
Anyone?
It was Nikki BRC. They got Danny.
And the filmer.
We got the rest.
That's on food.
Bro, you almost hit Nikki.
Miata girl, Miss Christina.
And he fucking drops it. I'm like, you fucking dumbass.
Yeah.
I almost did that.
Trying to hit the
My
studio.
hand and I saw it going down and I went.
Oh god.
I'm gonna expose you.
You had that same donut for like a full minute.
I'm gonna just keep it when I got my foot ran out.
Hey, you better get that shit in there.
Oh hell yeah. I got every minute of it.
What'd you do?
Where is my? I'll race him. Hey, what's good? Where you at?
My name's Daniel, nice to meet you.
Are you at Bedmo? Hey, who wants to fly?
Hey, I'm just putting myself out there.
Kyle, where you at? Hey, Kyle. Ooh. Bro, I'll put a rack on it. I don't care. Dude.
Put a rack on it?
Yeah, I don't even think he has a rack.
You're not gonna put a rack on it?
I will. Yeah. If he shows me a rack, I'll race him for a rack. No. Do I look like I'm playing, bro? Like I'm really dead ass serious.
I would say he's dead ass. He's like, I'm getting a
dead ass
ZL1.
serious,
I'm getting a ZL1.
So, dude.
No, he tells
He
people
told
that
me.
every second.
Yeah. Vlog. Great, bro.
Vlog.
Another video. Vlog. Hey, gang. Another video. Vlog. Okay.
I'm filming for her.
Vlog.
Because she's a crippled.
I know.
On the freeway, right? You got it finally? Yeah, I got the bumper.
For her.
Oh man, what the fuck? You're vlogging for her?
Yeah.
This is your goddamn vlog. What the fuck's she doing? Not as famous. I only have like 100 followers. Follow me, Lola the Stang. I need the clout.
The line was too long.
Hi, Nikki. Kyle. You're better. Kyle. Damn, Nicky Bars. Hey, hi. That's my 50 Bars. Hey. What's up? Get better now. Hey.
What's the Instagram, bro?
GR Yodi 5.0.
Yeah, follow that fool. Yep.
Thank you. Yo, you better ooh that ooh. I just
An Evo, wow. We'll check some more cars out.
Yeah, saw that.
Nah, bro.
After all, this is a car meet that you are hosting.
True. Wait.
Yo, man, I feel so bad for this dude. Would you
I
like?
didn't ask him to do
You
this.
could join our team. Would you like to be an honorary member of our vlog squad? I'll add you to the group.
I speak for some shit like that to go down. Hey, Kyle, doesn't your neighbor need like fucking ramps to drive his car through the driveway?
Ale, Alex.
Bro, that guy in the hoodie on?
Yep. What's Instagram?
Okay, wait.
Oh shit.
Hey, we're gonna go get food.
Alright, for sure.
BK?
Yep. BK.
Bro, I should go on a lunch break.
No. It's all like the ricers.
Yeah, perfect. I am a ricer. What the hell are you doing?
I already got it. Leave me alone, dude.
Daniel, take over. He wasn't even recording that whole time when I was.
All fucking ricers.
Says the guy that has a toaster.
That's the guy who has a spray pipe fucking Kia.
Dude, that's my family.
There's cops?
No, they keep doing that.
No. Oh, yeah.
Back up, everyone back up.
Yeah, that was ass.
Kind of donuts. Free?
Excuse me?
Thank you.
Damn, you got fatter ones? Hold on. I love your sweater. I love fucking David Dobrik.
Hey, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go parking in there. This guy's trying to. Oh my god, look.
Now we gotta go back.
This guy's trying to get out, but he's blocking.
There's literally no way out for this guy. Always gotta love when the cops come by.
That's like a whole foot.
Hi, nice to meet you. Nikki.
Okay, cool. That's good.
Yeah.
What's going on?
We got freaking Nick with good turnout.
About 70 plus cars showed up.
Yeah, for real. Even though we had 3 different spots. Imagine if it was all one spot. Imagine if it was one spot.
Oh, yep, this is sick.
Thanks.
You drifting it?
I try. Doesn't always come out successful.
If you take.
What's up, squad?
What up?
It is Jonathan.
Yeah, that's him.
Where is he?
You know how I know? Because he parked next to me. See, but you got you on the vlog, bro. That's good.
Say hi to the vlog.
That's ours.
Yeah, that's me.
Will I get a shout out if I do burnout?
No.
Then I just want honestly. No. Oh, you can race someone. I don't give a fuck.
He's gonna race.
I just want to try my food, bro.
Oh, is there gonna be another debate? Is this?
Or what?
How's our meet?
Our meet was lit. It was fucking lit.
You leaving? Yeah. All right. Thanks for coming.
I got work at 6 tomorrow. I'm walking around to say goodbye, so
Okay.
this is gonna be the last one I'll see you.
What?
Thing when you come out.
So BRZ's going back to LA.
Bye guys. Bye. I'll be back though. I'll be back with my car soon.
Is it even 12 yet? Oh, it is.
Get me off camera.
Did you see the Infinity and the 350?
I did. I recorded them.
Oh, not my car.
Huh?
You should record it.
I got it earlier when you guys were pulling up. Finish the vlog. Start recording.
Which button is recording?
It's already recorded.
Oh, saw, dude.
Alright, so why?
Pop it in neutral. Trust me, this vlog is gonna come to an amazing end if you pop your car in neutral right now.
Why?
Just trust me on this one. Go in the car, pop it in neutral.
What did you do?
Why do you look at me? Why do you look
No, I
at
just
me?
want to see it roll down. What an outro, right?
Alright, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't know what they're talking about,
I won't be in the vlog. Get done.
but
You have to blur out.
thanks
your
for watching my very first car meet. You saw it all here. Bye.
Saw, dudes.
Okay. Oh my god, I got goosebumps how cringy that was.